I'm Arthur Fagen. I'm a professor of instrumental conducting and co-chair of the department. Of all the events that I've been involved with, in some ways this is the biggest one. I think the story of Anne Frank should be told in as many mediums as possible. We have plays, we have the diary, we have chamber operas, we have choral works that describe it, and now it's time for a major opera production. My parents are from Krakow, Poland, and they were on Schindler's List. Because they were on Schindler's List, they were saved. They really witnessed the horrors of the concentration camps. I think that when an audience goes to see the opera of Anne Frank, they will see it through the eyes of this very, very sensitive young girl and what she went through. They will see the scenes from the concentration camps and the way the prisoners were treated. And they will realize that what happened during World War II was an atrocity of unimaginable proportions. And I'm hoping that they will think about certain tendencies today, racist tendencies, xenophobic tendencies, that if they are adopted by a government, could possibly result in a similar situation. Anti-Semitism often rises when there is a lot of economic insecurity in any country. And there's a tendency always to blame the Jews, even though it has no basis in reality, for what's wrong with our economy and our society. We are at a point now where people have to speak openly against all forms of anti-Semitism. Everybody who has a moral conscience needs to speak out.